You guys must be like, Mamaearth mass campaign is this. This costed 60,000 rupees. Oh my god, look at this. And I'm obsessed with this product. I just cannot live without this. I watched it for the plot. And you guys know what the plot was. They are step brother and step sister. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is going to be a huge monthly favorites video. So we have combined, I have combined June and July for this video, and I have so much to talk about. We're going to talk about Netflix series, tech products, then we have skincare, makeup, some snacks and whatnot. So yeah, grab something to eat or drink because this is going to be a long video, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first up is this product right here. This is the new launch by Plum Body Lovin'. This is the body mist in the variant Smokin' Vanilla. Now you guys know I love their like vanilla vibes, the purple bottle. I love it, and you guys have bought it because of me, and you guys have loved it equally. This is literally a notch higher. You know what I mean? I can say that this is kind of a dupe for Kayali perfume, Kayali Vanilla. Oh my god, this is so good. इसका मैं notes दे दूँगी आपको screen पे. And this is, oh my god, this is too good. But if you don't like body mists, I think you should go for इसका ही एक EDP version आया है जो इससे भी cheaper है, around 350 rupees का है वो, और एक तो सा perfume bottle है जो ज़्यादा last करता है than this. But I personally like this thing because I can just spray it all over my body. Oh my god, I have got so many compliments. I gave one to Srishti as well, and she also got a lot of compliments. She said that people actually asked her which perfume you're wearing. So yeah, you are gonna get noticed if you put this perfume. This smells luxe. I also have a coupon code which is I think flashing on the screen, or I'll give it in the description box below. मुझे वो coupon code से कुछ भी पैसे नहीं आने वाले हैं. So yeah, I honestly love this product. Definitely highly recommend. Alright, next up I have the Mamaearth lipsticks. Now I know you guys will be like, Mamaearth mass campaign, this, that and whatnot. I totally agree. That is your call. I understand audience का भी क्या perspective होता है brands पे, and I'm not gonna justify it. But I honestly love their makeup line more than their skincare or hair care. That's why you must have seen me promoting their makeup. अभी मैंने 2 महीना कुछ किया नहीं है, but this I honestly love. These lipsticks genuinely are so good. The formula is amazing. They are literally lightweight. Like you just can't feel as if you're wearing something on your lips. Lasts for a very long time. Okay, these are my favorite shades. The first shade is Petal Pink, and the second shade that I love is Woody Rose. Now I feel Woody Rose is something which is like a burnt brown plus a little hint of red in it, so it will suit a lot of skin tones. It's like a warm undertone. And then I have the Petal Pink, which is kind of a cool toned pink. I mean neutral है kind of, but थोड़ा cool के तरफ जाता है. तो अगर आपको pink lipsticks पसंद है, this is something you can check it out. You can see I have used it so much. I honestly love both of these lipsticks, and like you will see me wearing this a lot along with K Beauty lipsticks. मैं ये बहुत पहन रही हूँ आजकल, लगा रही हूँ. Packaging is perfect, nothing to complain about, very affordable. So yeah, definitely check it out. Keep everything aside, whatever the opinions you have about Mamaearth, but ये lipstick को पक्का try करना है. Let me know what are your thoughts on this. Alright, let's talk about this porosity spray. I recently worked with Matrix, and I was honestly not like into sprays that much, like shampoo, conditioner and serum. This is something that you can use after you have showered, okay, like after you have washed your hair, after conditioner. But because अभी monsoons चल रहा है, मेरे को ज़्यादा conditioner और moisturizing products अच्छे नहीं लग रहे, because anyways बहुत icky feeling आती है बालों पे. तो what I do is I wash my hair with either Olaplex or Matrix का shampoo, and then I don't use any conditioner, and then जब damp होते हैं ना बाल, तब मैं ये लगाती हूँ, and then I dry my hair, and oh my god, this product will change your hair. I'm not even kidding you guys. This makes your hair so soft. The packaging is beautiful. अगर shampoo conditioner नहीं खरीदना है मत खरीदो, but इसको definitely खरीदना. This is too good. Okay, so this actually helps to smoothen out if you have like rough hair or like split ends. Smells incredible. It's literally liquid protein for your hair, as the name suggests, and I am honestly impressed more than the shampoo conditioner. I am impressed by this spray. Highly recommend. If you are someone who's looking for like a leave-in conditioner kind of product, this is something you need. Alright, next up is this L'Oreal ka hyaluronic like eye cream. I love their hyaluronic acid serum anyways, but this is something I thought very gimmicky and it might not work. I don't know if it does anything for your dark circles, but it definitely hydrates your under eyes, that is for sure. Now I am 26, so I'm like marching towards 30, my late 20s, so I have to take care of my under eyes, and because I come from a dry skin family, I am definitely gonna have wrinkles way faster than somebody who has oily skin. Okay, that's just a fact, and you can only do so much to your eyes, right? So I think moisturizing your under eyes is something that I have started doing very religiously. So this is something that I really use, especially under makeup, because I feel my concealer sits beautifully. My concealer does not crack or look weird or cakey after I use this. So if you are someone who's looking for a serum or a cream for your under eyes to hydrate, then look for this. This is not gonna take care of your dark circles, just keep that in mind. This has 2.5% hyaluron plus caffeine. It's an eye serum, plus the packaging is very cute. It has like these 3 balls which are like very cooling on your under eyes. Nothing to complain about. Okay, I have spoken a lot about makeup and skincare. Okay, I just want to break that and talk about food. Can we just like take a moment and talk about food, because I feel we have a lot of makeup to talk about. Let's just this. Oh my god, like you guys have no idea कि मैं कितना control कर रही हूँ इसको ना खाने के लिए. This is just for 50 rupees and I'm obsessed with this product. I just cannot live without this. This is the snackable ragi chips in the flavor peri peri. This is gluten free by the way, and these are ragi chips. I can't, you guys. This is so good. You have to eat this to understand. It's so crunchy. It's just. Can I just eat one? Yeah, I'm gonna eat. Judge me if you want. मुझे वो डायलॉग याद आ रहा है, ये जवानी है दीवानी में. आई थिंक दीपिका सेज कि आप जब मिठाई का डब्बा खोलोगे तो सिर्फ एक नहीं खा पाओगे. This is that. You will literally eat the entire packet. Too good. You have to eat it. Snackable is anyway like very nice as a brand, and they make really nice. There is hardly anything that I don't like from Snackable. Love it. Alright, the next snack that I want to talk about is this. This is Noto mini bites. It does not have any added sugar. This is like vanilla mini bites. Basically जो chocobar होता है उसका छोटू version है ये, and इसके अंदर बहुत सारे pieces आते हैं. This is how it looks like. I'll give you a close up. So basically बाहर से chocolate है और अंदर vanilla ice cream है, and this actually works for your cravings rather than having like a full-fledged dessert or like an ice cream. You can just have this and you're good to go. Of course, this also has a little bit of sugar. It's not completely sugar-free, but Noto is a brand which does not add, like it's famous for that. It doesn't add a lot of artificial, you know, sweeteners or anything like that. So I think if you are going on a diet or something, and if you are someone who has a sweet tooth or if you love ice creams, then definitely check this out. Alright, let's come back to our hair and makeup and skincare category. This brush right here, this is just for 200 rupees, okay? This is from this brand called as Bronson. This is generally like a teasing comb, but I like to use this to like tame my flyaways. Can you see like बहुत सारा ऐसे frizzy जब बाल हो जाता है ना, and you want to do like चक्कू hair, this works like magic. And अभी ना I am growing my hair, okay? So मैंने fringes काटे हुए थे. I have done a lot of stuff to my hair. So my hair is growing from here. Can you guys see this? Like I don't know if you can see, but I am getting like these baby hair which come on my face a lot. And कुछ भी करो वैसे चिपक जाते हैं, and then it just ruins the entire shot because the camera that we use captures like the tiniest detail on your face. तो hair भी दिख जाते हैं. तो this actually helps to take, you know, those baby flyaways away from my face. So I genuinely love this. If you are someone who shoots regularly, or in general if you are someone who has a lot of baby hair, you want to just like tame them down, this is something you need. This looks like a very gimmicky product but really works wonders. So yeah. Alright, next up is this product. This changed my underarms. I'm not even kidding. Like this actually took care of all the underarm issues that I had. So I'll give you like a backstory, okay? If you're bored, you can just skip a few seconds ahead. But I bought a deo, okay, from I think Sol de Janeiro, and it smells incredible. Sol de Janeiro products are like, they have my heart. But the deo, it made my underarms 10 shades darker. I am not even exaggerating. I swear you guys. I used it for 2 days, okay, and the third day my underarms were 10 shades darker. and I was devastated. I was like, my underarms were never this dark and ऐसे अचानक से कैसे हो गया, you know. Then I realized कि एक ही चीज़ बस change हुई थी मेरे routine में, that was the deo. I think it didn't work for me maybe, and that's when मैंने ये भी order किया हुआ था. So मैंने इसका बहुत सुना हुआ था कि this actually takes care of your underarm darkness and all of that, knees and elbows and all of that. So I started using this. The first use is like सुबह मैंने use किया and then next day सुबह use किया. Third day पे I saw a visible difference, okay, and now the darkness is gone. After I think a month the darkness is gone, okay. So and इतना सा use हुआ है बस, as you guys can see. This is a huge bottle, but this actually works for your underarm darkness. Of course if you have like a reaction because of some product वो जल्दी निकल जाएगा, but आपको birth से ही मतलब पहले से ही hereditary है hyperpigmentation तो एक महीने में नहीं जाएगा, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. But do a patch test because this is 7% glycolic acid, ठीक है, तो थोड़ा stronger है. My underarms were used to it because I was using the AHA BHA by Chemist at Play, I guess. So मेरे underarms को थोड़ी आदत है active ingredients की, तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी कुछ भी साइड इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ इसका. बट अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा पैच टेस्ट करो एंड देन यूज इट. बट आई विल गारंटी दैट दिस विल गिव यू results for sure. एक month यूज करो and you will see a major difference, like a visible difference for sure. Good job Ordinary, love it. Alright, next up is this shit expensive product which actually helped to give me glass skin. I am not even kidding. This is the Sulwhasoo Activating Serum. I honestly thought Sulwhasoo is like a very gimmicky brand, does not really do much to your skin, but I was wrong. It's like a slap on my face. And now I have ordered like a 6,000 rupee kit by Sulwhasoo from Nykaa का sale. मेरे से कलेजे से दर्द हो रहा था, but I was like, you know what, I am entering like late 20s. I need to like invest in good skincare, and if it has given me, you know, good क्या बोलते हैं results, why not? So I have bought it. I will give you like a क्या बोलते हैं review on it on my shorts. Don't forget to follow me on my shorts if you want to experience the Lux Korean Lux brands. It's my guilty pleasure. You have to try this. This is like an activating serum that you can use after your toner. Or if you don't use a toner, you can use this directly after your cleanser and go in with your moisturizer or like a treatment retinol you are using, whatever that is. And this helps to absorb the next product better into your skin. You know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, it's too good, guys. It's too good. Okay, one more Korean product that I'm gonna literally use right now and show you. This is the Nooni Appleberry Lip Oil. This costs around 1800 rupees, but right now it's on sale, तो आपको 1500 में मिल जाएगा. I will show you the effect of this, okay? Can you see the shine on my lips and the beautiful color? This is the only thing that I was wearing before this also. सुबह से मैंने ये लगा के रखा हुआ है. Shine चली जाती है of course, but the color stays for so long. Such a beautiful apple cherry color as the name suggests. Love this stuff. Love this. Like you can see मैंने almost 1/4 use कर लिया है. And I will go back to this for sure. I would love to try out their different shades. Once this gets over, I'm gonna pick another for sure. Moving on to this sunscreen. This was the hype. I think 2-3 months ago, ये बहुत hype पे आया था. This is Biore. I don't know how to pronounce this. Correct me. This is water gel, SPF 50 with PA 4x+. Okay, this is aqua rich. This is like a water-based sunscreen. This gives a white cast, so be careful, but it settles down. Okay, and this gives that glow on your skin. Oh my god, glass skin effect. I'm telling you, like literally this looks like glass skin after this blends into your skin. Okay, does not give that sticky icky feeling. I know a lot of sunscreens give that, जिसमें ग्लो आता है, बट ये वैसा नहीं है. आपकी स्किन ड्राई ही टच में लगती है, बट स्क्रीन पे या फिर सामने वाले को इतना ग्लोई लगता है स्किन. सो डेफिनेटली चेक दिस इफ यू आर समवन हु इज इनटू लाइक ग्लोई सनस्क्रीन्स. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट अप इज दिस tint right here. This is the Halo Tint by Smashbox. You guys know I love Smashbox का base products. मेरा Smashbox का Hydra foundation is also one of the favorites. So this is the Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. It has SPF 25. I'm in the shade Light Neutral. This is what I'm wearing on my skin right now. It does not feel like foundation, okay? This is like day to day, everyday kind of a product. इसका जो बड़ा साइज है वो 3000 का आता है, ये 1500 का आता है छोटू साइज. And I think it's good. Like Smashbox के लिए ये price point for this size, I think it's good. Shades कम है थोड़े, तो अगर आपको आपकी shade मिल गई, invest करना. This is such a beautiful, youthful product. Okay, this gives like a very beautiful glow, but also gives you coverage and moisturization. This is literally the definition of tinted moisturizer. Love this product a lot. Alright, moving on to a Charlotte Tilbury product that has me hooked. This is the Contour Wand and I am in the shade Fair Medium. Now you guys know me that I was not a contour fan before this, but ever since I have got this in my life, I cannot stop contouring. I'm not even kidding. I have made like a Charlotte Tilbury ka pura makeup tutorial. I think it's up by the time you watch it. But this product blends like a dream. I'm gonna show you, okay? It looks like a very intimidating product, okay? You'll be like, kya ye? I'm gonna blend this. See, it's almost gone. Like it gives the most natural contour. I am wearing this on my skin right now. Does not clash with your base products, does not clash with powder products. This is one of the most beautiful, blendable, beginner friendly formulas I've ever seen. Expensive as hell, but worth it. I will definitely go back to this in a heartbeat. If like I have to choose one contour for the rest of my life, I will choose this because it's very beginner friendly. Okay, this is so blendable कि अगर आपने ज़्यादा भी लगा लिया तो भी आपको blend करके वो निकल जाएगा. It's that good. So yeah, definitely check this out if you are someone who's into a contour hunt. This is something you need to get. Alright, I am going to talk about last few products. This is very expensive, okay? And I was like, ये मैंने क्यों खरीदा? But खरीदने के बाद मेरे को समझा इसका value क्या है. This is No Show New York nipple pasties. Now you know my obsession with nipple pasties. I have to wear it, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so this costs bomb. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend this for everyone, but if you are someone who wears like risky dresses, or if you are someone who's not heavy chested and you are looking for a good long lasting nipple pasty, look for this one. There are very good nipple pasties anyways in the market. Amazon पे मिल जाता है और अगर तो गोल वाले जिसमें बीच में ऐसे ये होता है, they are good, okay, but only problem is कि उनका सबका जो thickness है ना वो throughout the circle same रहता है, ठीक है? So on the edges sometimes it shows from your top. This on the other hand is thinner from the corners, which I feel is intelligent when whoever has made this understood the assignment, okay? Because ये thick है in the center where is the nipple, and ये वाला जो है it tapers down, so it just like gets one with your skin. You know what I mean? जो ऐसा circle दिखता है ना वो इसमें नहीं दिखता है. Because I was actually skeptical कि इसका flower shape दिखेगा ऐसे. It's not like that. It is so good, so long lasting. Plus you can wash this, okay? And the adhesive is not gonna go anywhere. And it comes with this cute packaging, so you can just store it like this. And you're good to go. You can travel with this. I honestly love this product. I'm gonna buy this for sure. अभी ये बहुत time तक चलेगा, but I will buy this again. Alright, let's talk about this ring right here. I will give you a close up. This was sent to me by this Instagram store called Miss Dainty Co. And this is like a adjustable ring, and it has green color का square diamond in it. It's an imitation jewelry, but it's no tarnished jewelry. I've been wearing this for quite some time now, and मैंने पानी में भी पहना है इसको, और अभी humidity इतनी है कि of course sweat वगैरह तो आता ही है, and this has not tarnished so far. And the best thing is that it's adjustable. So मैं कभी-कभी ये शेवी को भी दे देती हूँ पहनने के लिए, and it feels as if you're wearing nothing. And this grabs attention, okay? Like if you're talking to somebody, people are gonna notice this because it's so thin yet noticeable, so dainty yet noticeable. You know what I mean? And you guys know my choices in jewelry. Like I have all sorts of dainty jewelry, and this is something I'm gonna cherish for sure because this is something very unique in my collection. I don't have like a green stone wala ring, plus in this format, which is like adjustable, so you can wear it anywhere in whichever finger that you like. So it's like a multi-purpose ring. So yeah, definitely check their page out. I really like her collection. It's very modern and like very aesthetic and dainty, my vibe. So yeah, उसका भी link मैं description में दे दूँगी. I don't know the price for this because it was a PR. So yeah. Alright, next up are these concealers. Huda Beauty के I have made shorts on this. I have made a lot of shorts on majority of the products, but these concealers I cannot do without now. मेरा Swiss Beauty का favorite concealer है ही, but उसके जितना अगर मुझे कुछ पसंद है high end में तो ये है वो. I have two shades, एक highlighting है और एक darker है. This is the granola shade and this is nougat. I hope that's how it's pronounced. And I use the mixture of both. This is like my color correcting and concealing shade. This is a highlighting shade, so I don't use this on its own. First I go in with this and then I go in with this in case I want to highlight, but this shade matches me perfectly. Like, I love this. I go 2 shades darker than my skin tone to correct my dark circles at the same time. मैं orange corrector use नहीं करती हूँ generally. So yeah, that's a trick. If you guys are somebody who's, you know, struggling with grey under eyes, you need to get a concealer which is 2 shades darker than your actual skin tone, and that will do the trick. Love this product. This just like blends into your skin as if it's nothing and does not feel heavy, does not crease, sets beautifully, long lasting है और क्या ही चाहिए. I love it. Alright you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the most expensive purchase of July. Is this costed 60,000 rupees. Oh my god, look at this device right here. This is my new projector. This is by Samsung. This is Samsung Freestyle. This is a very famous projector, and this is like a smart projector, by the way. You don't need to connect it to your laptop or anything. Basically जो आपको Fire Stick होती है अपना smart TV is that, and all the apps are installed, pre-installed in this. A lot of projectors don't support Netflix and all, screencast नहीं कर पाते हो आप because of copyright issues. इसमें वैसा नहीं है. Majority सब apps है, Hotstar है, Voot है, Prime है, Netflix है, सब कुछ है इसमें. मेरे घर पे TV नहीं है, ठीक है? So whenever I want to watch a movie or something, I either have to watch it on laptop or my phone, and I wanted something like a big screen जब दोस्त आते हैं घर पे या फिर टीम जब हम टाइम पास करते हैं. So I needed something like that. So I went for this. I was gonna buy a TV, but then I was like नहीं, projector लेते हैं. And I did my thorough research. Okay, I have like looked at so many projectors, nothing compared to this. Okay, I have made like a shorts on this which is already live by the time you watch this, so go ahead. तुमको वहाँ पे ज़्यादा अच्छे से डिटेल्स मिलेगा यहाँ पे इसके बारे में. बट बेसिकली यहाँ पे आप Siri या फिर Alexa से बात करके वॉइस कमांड देके भी इसको ऑपरेट कर सकते हो. इसके साथ एक ये आता है छोटू रिमोट, and you can project this on the ceiling, and yeah, it just like adjusts itself. प्लस कीस्टोन की वगैरह बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो अपने आप एडजस्ट कर लेता है स्क्रीन को. एंड द क्वालिटी इज़ ब्यूटिफुल, कलर्स आर ब्यूटिफुल. द स्पीकर, ओ माय गॉड, द स्पीकर इज सो नाइस. बिकॉज जनरली जब आप लैपटॉप से कनेक्ट करते हो प्रोजेक्टर को तो लैपटॉप की इतनी आवाज़ नहीं होती, तो आपको एक्सटर्नली ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर लगाना पड़ता है. इट्स अ हैसल बेसिकली. ये वन एंड डन प्रोडक्ट है, बहुत महंगा है, बट अगर आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है, बिकॉज अगर आप टीवी स्मार्ट टीवी लेने जाओ बड़ा वाला तो आपको उतना तो पैसा देना ही पड़ेगा, राइट? लाइक बिग स्क्रीन. दिस इज लाइक 100 इंचेस विच इज़ अ लॉट. ओके, लाइक मैक्सिमम साइज की 100 इंचेस है. आई लव इट. एंड सैमसंग इज़ अ गुड ब्रांड, रिलायबल ब्रांड. प्लस इसका अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो आजू बाजू सर्विस सेंटर्स भी बहुत सारे हैं. मेरे पास बाकी सारे भी ऑप्शंस थे, BenQ करके एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट उनके सर्विस सेंटर्स आर नॉट दैट एक्सेसिबल जितना इसका है. सो आई वेंट फॉर दिस. एंड इसका एक कवर आता है सामने, इस पर टच बटन्स है. एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट जस्ट लुक्स अस्थेटिक. मतलब ऐसे कहीं साइड पे रखा है तो लगेगा नहीं कि ये प्रोजेक्टर है, या फिर वायर्स नहीं है इसमें ज़्यादा. सो या, इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड प्रोजेक्टर, डेफिनेटली चेक दिस आउट. एक्सपेंसिव है बट वर्थ इट है, माउ अप्रूव्ड. Alright, let's talk about 2 Netflix or Amazon Prime series that I've watched, which you guys should watch as well. Now you guys know that I'm like a rom-com fan, so of course the movie that was, you know, trending last 2 months was My Fault, which is on Amazon Prime. I watched it for the plot, and you guys know what the plot was. Yeah, I mean, I will not give a lot of spoilers. It's just that they are step brother and step sister. Yeah, it's just too weird, but the chemistry is good. Both of them are hot. If you like a good rom-com, sizzling chemistry love story, you should watch it. And they have ended it on a very nice cliffhanger. तो next जो भी मूवी आएगा वो डेफिनेटली लोग देखेंगे, रिगार्डलेस भी देखते ही, for obvious reasons. But yeah, it's a nice movie. It was nice. I mean, it was cringe, but I liked it. guilty pleasure, you know what I mean? So yeah, the second movie that I watched was Purple Hearts, which is on Netflix, and this was like a new launch. I think 2022 में आया है ये movie. So basically it's about a girl that is having diabetes. I think, I don't know which exactly, मुझे disease नहीं मालूम है, but she's very sick and she's in bad need of health insurance. And then there is this guy, they are not like, they are rivals kind of, and who's a Marines, मतलब into the army, and when you get married to a government army guy, you get some health benefits, ऐसा कुछ तो है, and then that's why they get married. And बाद में पता चल जाता है that I'm not gonna give you a lot of ye, but it's a cute movie, nice movie, no cringeness involved, no stepbrother, stepsister shit going on in this movie. But it's a rom-com and it's a very nice movie, feel-good movie. Both the actors are beautiful, acting is nice, everything is good. So yeah, if you are someone who's into rom-coms, definitely watch these two movies. Thank me later. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I know this has been such a long one, but it was pending. You guys wanted a long video from Mao, here you go, don't complain now. And I'll see you very soon. But don't worry if I don't make like a long format video. I am very active on my shorts on More Mao and on Manasi Mao, both the channels. So don't forget to follow both the channels. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.